Tattoos are a way for people to express themselves through art and color, to showcase their personalities through drawings and words. But very often you find yourself in a situation where you have a meeting to attend or a formal function to go to, or your job simply does not permit you to have these tattoos. Then what do? Hi, I'm Saachi, and today I'll be showing you how to correct, conceal, and cover up these tattoos in just a few simple steps. And not only this, but you can use these same steps to deal with other body and skin concerns such as discoloration, pigmentation, or even acne scarring. The skin needs to be cleaned off of any excess oils or dirt so the products that are applied on top can have their full effect. Use a generous amount of an oil-free hydrating moisturizer all over the area and massage it in using circular motions. Take a pea-sized amount of a pore minimizing primer and pat it onto the tattoo. This will smoothen the skin, prep the area for any products that you'll be applying on top, and ensure that the makeup stays on all day long. Just like correctors are used to cancel out pigmentation and discoloration on the skin, they can also be used to cancel out the color of the ink in your tattoo. Use a small concealer brush to dab the corrector onto the tattoo and lightly blend the edges. Start off with a little product and continue to build it as needed. If your tattoo has been drawn on only with black ink, a pink colored corrector is enough to cancel it out. But for those of us that have colored tattoos, each color needs to be neutralized accordingly. Just take a look at the color wheel and it will show you how green and red, yellow and purple all neutralize one another. For tattoo concealing, make sure you pick a heavy-duty concealer that has a thick consistency and is long-lasting. Using a slightly larger concealer brush, pat this into place above the corrector to completely cover the pink or any bits of the tattoo that might still be showing through. Using a fluffy brush, blend out the edges. Use a foundation that is full coverage, matte and oil-free. Pick a color that is closest to your skin tone to ensure that it blends in seamlessly. A kabuki brush works best to pack in the product if you want maximum coverage, after which use a beauty blender or your makeup sponge to get rid of any harsh lines around the edges. If you need more coverage, use a foundation powder that matches your skin tone, or you can stick to using a translucent powder to set the makeup in place. Use a fluffy powder brush to pack on the product and buff it into place. This will ensure that your makeup stays transfer-proof and smudge-proof all through the day. I hope these tips and tricks will help you too, as they've been complete saviors for me time and again. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.